ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशो, बरोबर. लास्ट लेक्चरला मी तुम्हाला काहीतरी टेबल शिकवलं होतं, आठवते का? ठीक आहे, एकदा रिपीट करूया तो टेबल. चालेल, ठीक आहे. ओके, माझ्यासोबत म्हणायचं 0 डिग्री, 30 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री, 90 डिग्री. ओके, it is very useful table, guys. Okay, so here we will write sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Okay, now you will tell me the value. Sin 0, sin 30, 1 by 2, sin 45, sin 60, 3 by 2, sin 90, very good. Cos 0, cos 30, cos 45, cos 60, okay, cos 90, very good. Tan 0, tan 30, tan 45, tan 60, and tan 90. Very good. Okay. So, are you ready with this? Yes. Shall I ask this table to you? Yes. Okay. I will rough it. Okay. And you will tell me the value. Okay. So, Rudra, please. Sin 0. Sin 0. Sin 30. Sin 30. 1 by 2. Sin 45. 1 by root 2. Sin 60. Root 3 by 2. Sin 90. Very good. Very good. Clap for Rudra. Yes, who will tell from the girls? Yes, Danvi, you tell me cos 0.
1.
Cos 0.
1.
Cos 30.
Root 3 upon 2.
Root 3 by 2. Cos 45.
1 upon root 2.
1 upon root 2. Cos 60.
1 upon 2.
1 upon 2. Cos 90.
0.
Very good. Amte, you tell me. Tan 0. 0. Tan 30.
1 upon root 3.
1 upon root 3. Very good. Tan 45.
1
1. Tan 60.
root 3.
Root 3. Very good. Tan 90.
95.
Very good. Very good. Everyone is giving very nice answer. Okay. Clap for everyone. So, we will solve an example on the basis of this ratio. So you will find that how useful this ratio. If you remember this ratio, you will find it very easy to solve the answer. Okay. We will get one question. We will solve one question. ठीक है. एक question solve करेंगे. Find the value of. You don't need to open your textbook. Just pay attention. Find the value of 2 tan 45 plus cos 30 minus sin 60. Okay, it is very easy example. Okay, and you will find it very easy if you remember the table. Okay, table लक्षात असेल तर लगेच येईल तुम्हाला उत्तर. बघा आता सोल्युशन काय करायचंय, काय दिलं आपल्याला. फाइंड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ 2 tan 45 plus cos 30 plus sin 60. I will write it again. Okay, 2 tan 45 plus cos 30 minus sin 60. Now recall the table and write the values of the ratios. Okay, 2. What is mean by tan 45? 1. Very good. So into 1 plus what is by cos 30? Root 3 by 2. What is sin 60? Root 3 by 2. So minus root 3 by 2. Now you will pay attention that plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 means 0. Are you getting?
Yes.
It will become 0. So 2 into 1, 2. And here we will write 0. So answer is 2. Okay? Get it? Easy है कि नहीं? अगर आपको टेबल याद है तो इजी. If you don't know the table, so it is very difficult to write the values. अगर आपको टेबल ही याद नहीं तो सोचो tan 45 क्या करोगे. tan 45 का उसको टेंजेंट बनाओगे, क्या करोगे, कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे. Are you getting? So what you have to do is you have to keep that table in mind. ठीक है, आप सबको क्या आना चाहिए, टेबल. Are you getting?
Yes.
Very good. So next question. Next question is, let's take a different question. We'll find the trigonometry का different question. Find the value of cos 56 and sin 34. Dear student, do you remember yesterday I told you some complementary ratios? Means I told you that sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. Cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Do you remember that?
Yes.
याद है आपको? उसको यूज करना है. ठीक है? If you remember that, then your answer will become, you will get answer it very easily. Okay? बहुत जल्दी आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा. So what is given here? Find the value of cos 56. Cos 56 upon sin 34. So what is the trick here? Okay? If you remember, if we add 56 plus 34, 56 plus 34, it will become 90. So as we know, if the addition of two angles is 90, then those two angles are complementary angles. Complementary angle. Addition of two angle is 90, so it will become complementary angle. So complementary angle को हम और कैसे लिख सकते हैं? If I tell you cos theta, then we can write it like sin 90 minus theta. Cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. So cos 56 is equal to sin 90 minus 56. Are you getting?
Yes.
Cos 56 is equal to sin 90 minus 56. And my dear student, what is the value of sin 90 minus 56 means? Cos 56 is equal to sin 34. So here sin 34. Are you getting?
Yes.
So we can write this ratio in the form of cos 56 upon cos 56. So what is the value of it? 1. This is our answer.
Answer.
Easy?
Yes.
आसान है? ठीक है. Trigonometry is very easy at 9th standard level. If you take interest and remember the ratio and some identities, आपको बहुत आसान जाने वाला है. पूरे के पूरे मार्क्स मिलेंगे इसमें. Are you getting?
Yes.
Okay? Okay. Next question. किसी को कुछ डाउट? अगर मैं आपको बोलूं नाउ ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन, यू टेल मी cos 40 अपॉन sin 50, क्या करोगे आप लोग? You will check that this ratio is complementary or not. Okay? Is this a complementary ratio?
Yes.
40 plus 50 means
90.
40 plus 50 means 90. So it will become easy for us. ठीक है? आसान हो गया. हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं इसको? Cos 40 is equal to sin 90 minus 40. So cos 40 is equal to sin 50. Okay? So we will get the answer cos 40 upon cos 40. So answer become 1. Are you getting?
Yes.
मिल गया one answer? Any doubt? No. Very good. So you can solve any question like this. अगर ऐसे आता है तो आपको आना चाहिए. ठीक है? Next question is, so any doubt? किसी को कुछ डाउट? आसावरी डाउट आहे काही? तुला वृद्धी समजते सगळं? ठीक आहे. चला. आता एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल आहे. इन द राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल ACB. राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, थर्ड क्वेश्चन. इन राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, right angle triangle ACB is given, and if angle C is 90, so जब आप ट्रायंगल निकालेंगे तो 90 डिग्री कौन सा वर्टेक्स होगा आपका? C वर्टेक्स. ओके? सो वैसे ही नाम देना है आपको. C is equal to 90 डिग्री and AC is equal to, value of AC is equal to 3 and BC is equal to 4. Are you getting? BC is equal to 4. So we will draw right angle triangle. यहाँ पे हम right angle triangle निकालेंगे. So this is the right angle triangle. So can I give names like this? Is it right?
No.
क्यों?
C is 90 degrees.
C is given 90 degree. So C should come here. Okay?
Yes.
यहाँ पे होना चाहिए. ठीक है? So we will give name like this. ACB. Are you getting? So we will use symbol of right angle here. Okay? This is your hypotenuse. ठीक है? So AC is given. What is the value of AC? 3. BC, that is CB is given. What is the value of BC? 4. Okay? So we have to find what we have to find. Find sin A, sin B, cos A, tan B. Find sin A, sin B, cos A, tan B. If you remember the first lecture of trigonometry, then you will find that sin A means what? So what is sin A, Vriddhi? Sin A means which two sides? What is the ratio of sin A? Sin A means क्या होता है? Yes, Asawari, you tell me.
Opposite upon hypotenuse.
Opposite upon hypotenuse. Very good. Okay. डरना नहीं है, आपको आता है, मुझे पता है, किसी चीज को डरना नहीं है, ठीक है. Sin A. What is the value of sin A? Sin A means opposite upon hypotenuse. So angle A lies here. Okay. And angle B lies. So sin A means opposite. Opposite कौन सी है? BC upon AB. BC upon BC upon
AB.
Do we know the value of AB?
No.
क्या हमें AB की वैल्यू पता है? अगर हमें AB की वैल्यू पता नहीं है तो हम उसका रेशियो लिख सकते हैं?
नहीं.
हम नहीं लिख सकते. अगर हमको AB की वैल्यू निकालनी है तो हम क्या करेंगे?
Pythagoras theorem.
वेरी गुड. क्या करना पड़ेगा हमें?
Pythagoras theorem.
So let's find the value of AB with the help of Pythagoras
Theorem.
Okay. So Pythagoras theorem यूज करेंगे हम by using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem क्या है, आप सबको पता है? Yes, Janvi, tell me Pythagoras theorem here.
AB square is equal to
AB square hypotenuse square is equal to
AC square plus BC square.
AC square, other two sides के square का addition. AC square plus BC square. So what is given here? AC is equal to 3. AC is equal to 3 square. BC is equal to 4 square. Are you getting?
Yes.
3 square means 9 and 4 square means
16.
So value is 25. So AB square is equal to 25. So what is the square root? We need AB. So AB is equal to square root of 25 is 5. So what is the value of AB?
5.
Are you getting?
Yes.
Value of AB is
5.
So now we can write the ratio. So sin A is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse, that is BC upon AB, and we can write it like this: sin A is equal to BC value 4 upon 5. Okay. Now the next question is sin B. Sin B means
AC.
opposite upon hypotenuse. So angle B की opposite side कौन सी है? AC. And hypotenuse is
AB.
So we will write like that: AC upon AB is equal to AC कितनी है? 3 and AB कितनी है? 5. So sin B is equal to 3 upon 5. Okay. And the next ratio, required ratio is cos A. Okay. So cos A is equal to
CB upon
opposite adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent is AC upon AB. What is the value of AC? 3. And what is the value of AB? 5. Pay attention. Okay. Cos A is equal to 3 by 5. And the last is tan B. Yes, tan B means opposite upon adjacent. Tan B is opposite upon adjacent. So opposite value of B is opposite is AC upon
CB.
Okay. AC upon
BC.
BC or CB. What is the value of AC? 3 and BC 4. Okay, understand? Okay, please write down.